This is the weather forecast video for Friday, May the 13th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the middle of the country with a low pressure over northern Kansas producing some showers and thunderstorms, and this low will be the focus of the weather over the next couple of days across the state and the Midwest. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. That severe thunderstorm watch in Iowa was until 1 in the morning. Other watches were in effect until early in the morning hours to the south, with other weather issues scattered across the country. QBF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. This takes into account the thunderstorms that occurred during the overnight hours. Rainfall amounts from 1/4 to 1/2 inch over the west to upwards of almost 2 inches over the east. So some moderate to heavy rain possible over the next couple of days. Here's the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex south of the state and one to the north of the state barreling around an upper level feature that'll be centered near the state. Down at the surface low pressure near St. Louis. Some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm throughout the day, but not everybody will see rain all day and not everywhere, and it will be cooler. Saturday, same story. The surface low is in southeastern Indiana between Indianapolis and Cincinnati. Still some showery weather and cool conditions. Highs may not even get out of the 50s in some areas. Here we head to Sunday, same story. Low pressure near Cleveland with a trough extending back into the state. Could still see some highs possibly in the upper 50s to the upper 60s across the state. Monday, the storm begins to finally move away. We'll get some dry air and temperatures will rebound nicely, likely back into the upper 60s to mid to upper 70s across the state with sunny skies. Tuesday, same story. Highs will likely be around the 70-degree mark either side of that. Lows will be in the 40s, maybe some upper 30s on Tuesday morning. Wednesday morning, you can see that upper level feature is still close by, so there could be some scattered clouds over the eastern counties, but here comes another storm near the Texas Panhandle that will be raining to the west. Back to the upper levels. Here's Thursday. You can see there's that upper level low to the east over the eastern Great Lakes, and here comes another storm off southwest of the state. Down at the surface, low pressure near about Amarillo, Texas. Maybe some rain may be spreading into the extreme southwestern counties of the state late on Thursday of next week. We head to Friday, a week from today. That low will be moving up into Oklahoma and Kansas. Some rain could spread in Friday into Friday night of next week across the southern and southwestern sections. We head into Voodoo Country. This is Sunday, the 2 days after the last one, Sunday the 22nd. You can see there's that storm system we saw in the last thing over the state. Down at the surface, low over about Des Moines. There could be some scattered showers, maybe some thunderstorms. Too early to determine if there's going to be severe weather with that system. Move ahead a few more days. May the 25th, new storm moves in from the west. Could be some showers and thunderstorms with that. That has more potency to produce possible severe weather. And at the end of the forecast period on May the 28th, big trough over the center part of the country with the ridge out west. Down at the surface, you can see a storm system exiting the state will be on the backside, but as you know in Voodoo, things will change from run to run. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.